Hi, so this is being recorded on 1st October because I wasn't able to record it right on the day which occurred, which is on 28th of September. That day I had a huge loss, and that was a very black day, black Wednesday of September. So this is that day, 28th September. This day, before this day, the market was falling continuously, and this was a support where I thought the market will bounce back from this place, 37,964. My expectations in the morning, which I wrote down in my journal, is expectations market opening within PDR with gap down. I expect the market to either be very volatile or sideways with bearish pressure, all this without breaking the 30-minute downtrend. So on 30 minutes you can see the downtrend breaks over this place, 38 537. So let's say 38 500, 38,500. Like going back on the daily time frame, the market somewhat behaved in a way which I would have predicted, but we'll see how things unfolded, and I totally lost control that day. Before these 2 days, on 26th September and 27th September, which were Monday and Tuesday, I had made a very good returns for first time in my life, or 2 consecutive days. First day I made above of 2k, and the second day I made, I think, 4,200 something. So I was on cloud nine, lost touch with the ground, and that's how it happened on 20th September. So I'll also show the drawings, which are kind of irrelevant right now because I have modified them. Unfortunately, I don't use an hourly time frame. I use the 30-minute time frame. So let's see how it turns out to be. 15 minutes. First 15 minutes is a totally this thing, confirming the downtrend. I expected to go down or become volatile. Yeah, so coming to the trading time frame, positives, 38 500, above 38 500 I would have started taking bet towards call sides, bigger bets with good quantities according to my risk management system. But below this I would have just on the call side I would have taken smaller position. On the short side I should have taken the this thing. Now on the Now these are the trades which I have taken. Oops. Market opens below the previous day low. It wasn't in the previous day range, it was below the previous day range. And now let's see the blunder which I have committed. First trade, I was expecting the market. First trade was absolutely normal. This was a scalping trade. I entered here and exited at the top. That was fine. But after that, what followed here, clearly you can see uh, the market failed to go down after forming a kind of a bearish pennant, flag and pole, sorry, and it broke this resistance level, which it took distance from this place. I trade first 15 to 20 minutes, 30 minutes on 1 minute time frame because the 3 minute time frame or the 5 minute time frame doesn't have enough candles to trade on. Uh, I take support of these two time frame, but majorly my eye is on the 1 minute time frame along with the major trends. And here you can see again a The trade was okay, fine. I should have waited over here after the breakout because it's in the downtrend, and to go up, I should have waited. But took the trade, exited in loss. Took the trade again, exited in loss. Could have taken the trade over here at 9:35 for long after the 9:35 candle close, and from here, if you can see on the 3 minute time frame, we got a confirmation at 10:36. 10:36. This candle should be the one where I should have been entering, and my stop loss should have been somewhere around this place. 876 stop loss and entry around 977. Around 100 point stop loss. Understandable in such a volatile market. And then again, I'm fighting the trend. Here I am taking trades, but because my quantity is now huge to cover my losses over here, my call position should be less, but I'm taking huge quantities. That fucked me up again. And trading inside the chop, getting fucked inside it, and here when the chop is broken, I should have clearly taken the trade with the direction of going down because the higher trend 30-minute time frame is negative, the daily time frame is negative. Market is breaking a chop area and coming down. I don't know why I took this long trade because I mean I was clearly not in the normal mindset at that point of time. Psychology was totally fucked. The best thing I could have done at that point of time was to stay away, leave, understand the trend, and taking trades accordingly. If till now, huge losses have been incurred for around 4,000, 3,000, 3,500 to 4,000 losses have been incurred, and I'm still inside the trade. This was final lane in the coffin, and then I closed my PC. Market offered so many trades later during the day, especially once this trend was established, and there was again this what do I say, consolidation. So market was falling continuously. It was very prudent of somebody to expect the market to correct a bit. So going over here, I could have taken decent quantities towards the call side, breaking my rule. And this is a very important support resistance area. Yes, according to the yesterday's chart. Day before, yeah, day before, no, yesterday's chart, and also day before yesterday's chart. And then once it started, broke this thing again, and it could have been taken over here. This was absolutely fine. We wrote this thing back. But anyways,